In today's fast-paced academic world, students are constantly searching for ways to work smarter, not harder. With the rise of artificial intelligence, a new wave of tools has emerged, quietly transforming how assignments and study sessions are managed. This video explores the top 5 AI tools that students are secretly using to save valuable time and enhance their productivity. Discover how these innovative solutions are reshaping the educational landscape and making a real difference in students' daily routines. Notion AI stands out for its remarkable ability to transform scattered notes into clear, organized summaries within seconds. By analyzing the content, it identifies key points and restructures information for maximum clarity. This feature helps users quickly distill complex ideas or lengthy meeting notes into concise, actionable insights. With Notion AI, the process of tidying up information becomes effortless, allowing users to focus more on their tasks and less on manual editing. ChatPDF is an innovative tool designed to help students engage more effectively with their study materials. By allowing users to upload PDF documents, ChatPDF enables direct interaction with the content. Students can ask questions about the uploaded PDF and receive instant, relevant answers. This approach streamlines the research process and makes it easier to understand complex information within documents. With ChatPDF, accessing and comprehending important details becomes more efficient and user-friendly. Gamma is an innovative AI tool designed to streamline the process of creating presentation slides. By harnessing advanced algorithms, Gamma enables users to generate visually appealing slides within seconds, eliminating the need for manual design work. Its intuitive interface and intelligent features make it accessible to both professionals and beginners. With Gamma, presentations can be crafted quickly while maintaining a polished and engaging appearance. This tool is transforming how people approach slide creation, offering efficiency and creativity in one package. Grammarly is an advanced tool designed to enhance the quality of written communication. It automatically detects and corrects grammar mistakes in assignments, emails, and other forms of professional writing. By providing real-time suggestions, Grammarly helps users refine their language, improve clarity, and ensure accuracy. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible for both students and professionals, supporting effective and polished writing across various platforms. Perplexity AI is designed to revolutionize the way we find information online. By seamlessly combining advanced artificial intelligence with powerful search capabilities, it delivers answers more quickly than traditional methods. Users benefit from smarter research tools that not only retrieve relevant data, but also provide clear, reliable sources for every response. This approach ensures that information is both accurate and easy to verify, making Perplexity AI a valuable resource for anyone seeking trustworthy knowledge. Exploring these AI tools can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your daily tasks. By integrating them into your workflow, you may discover new ways to save time and boost efficiency. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes where we'll dive even deeper into advanced strategies and innovative applications. The next part will reveal unique hacks that can transform how you approach work and creativity. Keep following to stay ahead in the world of AI-powered productivity.